there. And then ya and a sabio papa na your friend bono hene echo interview MPP ni man panyini weyi nano ate jo bejo papa weyi ena ene yewia bono hene echo interview no na papa your friend is Sylvester Tete oye obia osi opeso mra medi MPP General Secretary. That is not the reason why I'm here. Now, Papa got to the studio when on the bono hin kobo DDM no. Papa ne can send me no bia. Emu drupa na make a lot of sense. Papa will see what the NDC is doing today to the MPP people. Omon fan to omutimu se. So munim no munim. Na obi bokro no. Na MPP amanyo koba konwam 2029 ye chi amanfo de omoko prison ho ana police yard ho a age so omoko fa Yesu Kristo ne cross no da so wuye no age so omoko fa no ba ti se bail answer mo atiase papa de kansem no konanim kira say no, what is happening in the MPP today no, it is a way of success because party no obi bia no also sene no Nambum, a dream ba one point of view be a yen I want a common. And then a nam so am I can one bomb say a party for. And the best way to win the election is to be a candidate here. A party no mum ne de woko, no mum ne enye wo and out the party neko. Because a kobane sa, every member in the party will work for you, and everyone will have one achievement, one common achievement. Let's win the elections together. And you are passing to Tuyana Ekoswo down no ground to honor. E come up say about your cotton in Anui and paying for ye won at the district level, constituency level. No. These are now the officers of the party. Or see omunye delegates. Because I see the delegates exercise no. Omu making it just once in a term of 4 years. But to be the party officer at the constituency level, honor, you are every day. Now your mum no more town party in the party leader. Emani timi win because some no mu ye adwuma wo down ho a convince a man for the party na say because the party candidate lankasa no oba constituency a 190 an so be kokro and 9 miensa so. After that, no, he must to go to another place. And no, and Crofono was for in Chronosono, Untumin Kasa, enter one by one, and your Muniasum come. But these district level officers, no, you try also just a simple delegation. And your Munomuya Juma every day to promote the party. And to say Dr. Bawumia is going to win this election. And when he wins, the NDC will clap back for what they are doing to the MPP people. Yanko de Konkotie, and some Union Steven Tete, and Owo Edemaye. Yaba Yabasian to us, so high Ras Media GH. Subscribe to my channel and become part of the family.
Honorable Chen Kemwajo.
Bejoso.
Maybe I'll try to be able to
Yame dia cheme, Namuswe.
Yame Edia Chen, did he cancel? Hedasi Yamamuni Juma says still na no wabamu ye party in opposition. Nasa now so be kwa ko jina na fi wase aboa party no. Enyezi obi anko se me manyame kakra me ma. Opposition to say no me ko saying.
Bodo mavenchia etifo na menda party magina ase. Ne ahokeka omudi ahye party no adwumadi ahudu ayedie mu constituencies oni akoto aba eyi akandifo memfa akwanya so emmo woni abaso sronko na mema woni a epa wo mu nyina so trinkwa na obi nso a odi nkukuo no ose eti ase se eno nkyere se obetiada obia de na hoden beboa de odin kunim na yatumi apeja MPP amanyuku no na ira His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia watumia for abanwa no biom say MPP edin kunim 2028 elections da enimu na afezu emrantie ni mabunu ni party mpanimfo a ebotwi eko yoko mia na medimu akotre
ena ko yoko hobi
ko yoko hobi spending over 2 hours wow. Na membo omunyina so abaso se ene ye de unua wo se eyono na nyame omo de free ne so a ebeba wo so nti onyanko da ne woda sabi anka ni papa mu a obi eko police station ana okwa akotro ne nudize ebi oni ni lawyer pa anka obi amfa ho na hon bi denti na aboasrewa odi ni background wo yi na ni asinchen NDC amanyokuo ni boni ni kwan boni a omode Ghana for faso eno ntina ye nyina ebo twie ebo brema ko hwe se ehimfa na yenua no wo na sabi munso ye ni nipa na ye Ghana for nyina ntiase na media for 4 years me a member of the local government committee in parliament so ejuma interministerial committee edie bitiase pa ye nti ebedi ho nkomo na menka se abato ahodo a akase ebeto ewo various constituencies no ye momodin se yi free ho court in semseme wo ho nyina no menjiri se yetenase na ye kan se no dodo na ebehu se ewe dodo na is born out of suspicions
you ready ho nkomo
pa ye and I think say niama ne bi nkoyie
okay
and as a matter of fact o say ehwe na yaka ho asem ye right to ni nyina na face regional elections ye ba be nominations na ye free ho na e ba ni kasiem at the national level and I wish everybody well. I congratulate those who won the elections because it's not easy. We follow the elections, build up, any the elections day. Akukuda mahudu ati theater. Oshe Chunamia SVP from the various constituencies are Ebana. I say Epo Asochri. Estati Ruba Uhu. Ebebe unono say Afau. So I think say the party people generally in opposition, there is only one thing, power. Who can best help us win power? Now, on your interview, Ubia is talking about the MPP as a party. Kwanya ebe first way be dinkunim, and I believe that Adia Mita Kadibiano, most people are retreating the same point. Say a party no, and the candidates echo elections, not the candidates taking the party to elections. And anywhere, Majinabiano, because of my experience, Menyawo party where a candidate wants to take the party to election, oftentimes it results in a defeat.
Say, Nipano want to say, what the party didn't
exactly, the party must take you to elections. And it's a deep statement. It takes people who has huge depth of experience to understand.
Right, open my NTS.
The American is a party, no. Bigger than any individual. There were over 90,000 communities at Ghana. Woman flag bearer be quite say on campaign, you be taking more than 5 years, no in Ghana and Yanko to Aba. About was a maximum your opposition. I see 2 years to the next elections, no. At least a year flag bearer. And the 90,000 communities, then I just say flag bearer between your constituencies are polling stations, any communities every 8,000. Every 400, every 300 communities. Flag bearer about constituency at most occur 2 locations. No call. So the 400, 300, 200 communities are a constituency constituency. No. Nipa ye wo mo any polling station officers. I don't call them delegates. They are only delegate for a day for an exercise, but they are officers of the party. Womona womobeton flag bearer. They are ton parliamentary candidate. And the structures of Munibeye Jumano are very important. Yes, ye parliamentary candidates. And the executives are ye womu and from polling station, electoral area, constituency are ye womu and they have to plan, strategize. How I bet me din kunim wo constituency. If they have a plan, I feel who can best fit their plan to win the elections for us. can best fit it. And you say, yes, uncle for no. Now, you're training woman. Oftentimes, bono, elections every popular people. Yeah. Very popular people. See how many will start. Yeah, fine reforms on paper. Electoral area coordination team led by a chairman, a secretary, organizer, communication and electoral affairs. We need to spend a lot of money to train them to know the job of an electoral affairs at the electoral area. The communication officer at the electoral area, the organizer, the secretary and the chairman, they are unique role in that electoral area. And it's a constituency new profiling itself. A roadmap how we can win. The SWOT analysis of that constituency, the strength for the MPP, the opportunities, the threat. A work constituency no munyina and weaknesses. So yes, our analysis ni nyina. Afi yenhwe candidate a yene no yebeto I be match all the analysis ayaye. But oftentimes the sense say ye person candidate na dey call elections nti we ignore all these things. Now if executives 19 year mobe
and I was start me patron komo ehia pa
very very important
and who think komo pa ya capacity asem ye ni aka na sere sukura me pe enti na mchana chechirem twiye na manfonti ase
and the American say ya kwako yi 19 executives party no obligation say ye focus immediately no should not be parliamentary candidate.
Okay.
And na mesre wo mo ebi nso akɔhyɛ nipa bi echi sɛ me pese odi chairman na obo na mbe candidate. Ebi akɔhyɛ organizer echi, ebi akɔhyɛ youth organizer echi, enafe na mo akyeche. Enti etu aba wie ye pɛ appointment e so mo ye ne boa wo mo no. Ye hwɛ the interest of a potential parliamentary candidate, an interest of a potential MP. Ye pese e two MP we. Ye pese e di we ba. Enti appointment amu ye no en favor me. Very dangerous. And the obian to the book na appointment amuba be ye nipa ebe complementing mu vision amudiaba. Ebi anko in a team, they move in individual strength. Mon bondi first of all. And into the constitution mamu 2 weeks. Chairman for and 2 omobo. So be in with team and as a baby amu feedback amumba tenase. Na fi mo assess responsibility edia mamo. At this why the mamo say mon deliver constituency no. First of all, say a orphan constituency analyze your results. Say a constituency among win na analyze your results.
A call saying then
say now if why na bet me aboa ye vision ye di bay. It's mu ye appointment in we are. They should not be discussing parliamentary candidates as of now. One into omobo. They will undergo rigorous training. Me makasa me be general secretary.
But who is a training a issue in MPP?
Yes, it is a big one.
Ye to aba mo constituency obi okra na rule ana na sadia ese wo ye no kra wonim.
Me tell you as a general secretary, I've observed the party.
No,
me a good overview of the party no. Ye to aba me na immediate tax. And they say vision for 2028 and the party no nipa ya to abayi wo munyina no within the shortest possible time no they must understand the visionary direction
constituency level about region to national also be atias here short term, medium term and of course a long term vision. As I say you 2 years to prepare for victory. Our immediate term is to get the party ready for that vision. Now, Chile almost said, you were 87 seats. You better see you be winning 140, 145 seats. So that seat, no research will identify for me. Say this 160 seats, no, we are going to pick it. Margin of error. So constituency officers, no, and also say minimum babe we need our seat way. And of course, those that we may not target, no, a defensive mechanism and a call. But in Pempino, you be winning a bano,
an orphan constituency aye winning seat ni bi da no e be at the last elections womunya presidential vote 3,000. The next election womunya 6,000. 100%. There was a ball mo abaso. Because if you be winning the seat, the last election on your 12,000, this election on your 11,000, even though we're winning. Now more bonabaso no jaubia when you additional 100% vote. A analysis I was here. And say himself will sit in the want to me win ya. Ye man will target near these things but all we need from you A B C D. So resources a debeba constituency no. I was say resources a defensive mechanism. So all we need from you is to go and defend. And we will reward you based on how defensive you've been to the party. Said the no.
Yabebo man for abaso.
Yabebo man for abaso. And one thing I may say, the reward mechanism in our party, it should be tied to your work to the party, not following anybody anywhere. So you say reward mechanism and the party should have its own reward mechanism.
Let me identify.
Let me identify. So what's Zabzugu? Now you name the echo so hoa. You name say constituency executive ma bomb the edema no ye. But reward system is tied to say yakwako din konim. And things that constituency is bebrea. Wasn't executive no mo achiche. Manfa candidate ama menya recognition in a party. No. Intimate executives are power mo. Ebi wo mo ye adwuma na che. Ebi nso afi na mo abem. Onenya botre.
Okay.
Now a regional executives, a national executives are we moving quickly. Maybe I can say you have budget for general elections. You need budget to run the party.
Your budget for general elections?
Yes.
But you need budget for
run the party.
107.3.
It's a serious problem.
And the party. I'm catching work out.
By no credit.
Sir, you have a party need to mineska. Budget. And the party say you have to no money and to abani ninkunim. But party no day-to-day activities, no.
And now you to abay. Easy for budget. Omo ma yebo. Party netuya all over. A police for provision ma omo. Provision for venue to abano. Transportation of the delegate from their hamlet to the center no ya make provision. So you've opened the constituency for the highest bidder. The obet you transport to woman. Constituencies ni nyina nkra ni tem akumasi o. Baby wo offer car be 3. Aso no ba center ho. Offer cars be 2. Baby kra ho be da overnight. Enti delegate be to aba. Party na anye provision. Ho na de na ba. Enti di owo sika no obetumi atwe na ba. Obema no baby ada. So on to me Muhammad on to me adwuma no go be to aba na ma no because of that gesture. Sa nyama we nyina ye nyama e wo se yehwe. Ebedi party ninya. Over the time, there were research officers. In training research officers. Look, maybe I can say research officers. Say idea ya training wamuye. They will be indispensable to the constituencies because it's expensive to train somebody to come to that level. And our research officers now are jai in the position or contest because on your sure say party never retaining no. Enti saka ye bo mo ka training wo mo a akasa aka na nyina wo mo de ko.
Right.
I believe say me be general secretary at the constituency level, regional level, national level. We will not have just a research officer. I was saying a research team. Well, constituency out here, you'll be a good resource to join the research team in that constituency. And the political appointee or a research officer, no, he needs to have a team, a party across to help in political researching. So identification of candidate for assembly election to parliamentary and higher issues a flag bearer attach it on your back campaign and higher campaign messaging it should born out of research of various constituencies. Okay. So all this training, communication, new media, communication has moved on and is faster. So communication officers, because we call one constituency, you can have thousands of people communicating for the party. How consistent and coordinated are your voices are a constituency no. Obi wo domi kwa benya or a very effective communicator. On to me can domi kwa benya asem. Or bar radio so no pager. On the nam Zabzugu, on the nam ha.
Baby,
all politics is local.
Of course.
So research officers should be preparing the research materials. Normally, a mass communication officer give to your people to disseminate. Elikple ma kurugu said and then. Wa go for be in politics. Don't make kwabenya for communicators who can bring her down. Because she's an embarrassment to the office of a member of parliament in that constituency. Of course. Of course. The standard oh, now of course, standard that constituency yakwa could do. Now here's our constituency, all these episodes already.
What was 7.3?
Please. Is she deserving of that constituency? Please. So, a Juma Dainima Ebayeno, that constituency must dissect and let the people know the standard that the constituency in Nakwa could do. It's not just occupying the space. There were premium constituencies. And see, for me, Obian Tunebo, and we must look at the elephant as a winning symbol. When you are battling against a propagandist government like the NDC, they forgot some more responsibility. Settings in Kwan and Muniti Abemo. And you move one and focus in an accord. A friend is saying, you could headquarters. Right,
that's more MPP. I remember Yoko issue, no, and my mini kind say MPP that's it, me that's it. So what me say? Productive hours, 2 hours. Yoko office. It means that we determine say party no amount to me also be some party no. Your constituencies be what baby says Secretary East. And Miami Ahudwa, Yade injunction, to so say, my young Kotuaba, Ewoho. But unfortunately, Ya Kotuaba, Ewoho. And then a baba party issue, say, Yen Tuaba or Hayen Tuaba ha. Near Benya police for any easy for no Marcus Pava, say, monitor my elections across a brave party executives, national executives.
You see, lack of discipline in your party, no. Ededi Nyama will be brave ever. Mimi constituency, but you know English I'm from. The acting national chairman, a short letter, say, yes, suspending the elections until further notice. They consulted me and I said, look, once a party natural letter, no, suspend the elections, namonko arbitration. Baby be brave, ensukuta application notice for injunction. In law, Supreme Court ruling say notice for an injunction, it does not constitute an injunction.
No country no mama daruba.
And no say me bow koko and I say me bow kai say me duwa ko jina quarter me ma quarter tie masem say me ni tabo beto so. And no tabo nyam fan to so. Tabo no nyam fan to so. Ba me ma wo say bono hene. Me di asema ko dan court. E da say me kwa ko move application no ma court me ma court to the tabo na to so. E no nya tabo.
Okay.
Tabo ni say wa ko move application wa check court no say weni nti adwumadi abono hene be di anwumre for tabo to so. E no the tabo no to so a eno ano no. But in pempi no nipa bebre na court. Na mo akodi application to for notice or notice that's it me kwa ko move application before my lord justice na ma chere ni de nti of tabo nto ade so two different things the edika no tabo de nyam fa nto so and you could as application now in law enya injunction but baby a national party are taking notice of some activities now mo abra letter touch no even if there's no injunction no it was all okay. It's a typical case of Botiano English I'm from. It's notice application
your
of constituency. Yes, it is my constituency still.
Okay.
On notice, application on notice for injunction. It is not an injunction, but national party not sure say you're holding on the elections, and until we stay the process, you're trying say ebeko national na nsema nipa ko bi di ko dan wo no wo mu pense mu wo mu wie na clear na so aba. So I think say lack of discipline and clarity in decision making in our party. You see, process, it's as if we are stampeding the process. I'm being honest with you. Time for arbitration, time for appellate decisions, and the rest. You see, time party for D.
Yeah.
A day I will train you now. Nipa nim say ye throw din no near their compiled register. Me a polling station chairman ebe to me swaba. Inti nipa 5 na dia ma omo no. Not the book national moto. Ye wo party ye national officers. Ye officers from the polling station level to national. Generally, to me to presidential election over 221,000. So registration ye nusa. So there's a problem. There is a problem. And you say no, you know, but I think say we a leader now. The measuring rod, there must be consistency, there must be fairness in decisions that yet taking. Because baby a jai, na baby a kwakoya. Let's just say dear nekoso. It be nya opportunity to be heard. Ninyina every day discontent within the rank and file of the party. Okay. I'm sorry to say, sir, the state of your party today, Enyakono.
Okay.
People are asking for leadership for this party, and I think, sir, you cannot give what you don't have.
Leadership, proper leadership, and just leadership.
You see, Semikana, me interested party. The judgment is with the masses, but of course, utie Ghana for ebi kura ho omunye MPP for. Yeah, two side there. The trust anonim say na chiachia. The obehu say we chiachia you be a oye independent or jira ho a sebi onfa de oye ne ho, but our interest. Enti wo mo commentary a wo mo de ba. Na yankasa nkasa so ye party no mo. Enu bi aye de ope. Obi aye de ope. And for me, I think say rules are a governing elections. Nipa echo various concerns. Some of the issues with here air time, but we must move in quickly and ensure. So many times, and so it tells a lot about the and maybe I might say any time we be leading major reform. Now say or you active participant in the outcome of the reforms of really.
Rabiona Chair say
yes. I didn't say a reformist.
Okay.
Asema to institution be.
Okay.
Where a major changes in the MPP structure. And the what would dear Nimuno now per se will contest now a beneficiary of system now we are now. The reforms now would dear Nimo. And what you now will say we reforms they are make contest elections. The suspicion is that you are skewing the process for yourself. Especially when you are bringing a major reforms. You said they are now going in the MPP. What did they make say? And clearly, no. They be say, if I were the leadership at that time, such a humiliating defeat, there may be some party for say, I will lead the reforms. I call it for no, but I will not partake in that elections. And then you'll be ruthless to ensure that you do the right thing and be quitted to the party. But now, issues no be to me because I'll call elections. So they've lost the potency. They've lost their potency.
Because of to me,
of course.
To me, stamp your authority.
No, you can't. They've lost it. Anka, your party constitution. One of the functions of the general secretary is to inform the party people, the mouthpiece of the party. Now, call national council meeting and as a steering committee meeting. Now, acting chairman is issuing instructions from these bodies to the party people. It tells you, say clearly, you are conflicted. Obronibe say you are conflicted. Is the source of all these problems, because we are training in the discharge of your duty. You won't check your responsibility now. Now, who is speaking for the party? In the face of all these challenges, we don't hear the voices that are supposed to communicate to party people. Because two factions, they call elections. Now, Tawatawa back constituency, because you are conflicted, won't know where to sit. So most of the arbitrations na course no people who sit on it oftentimes because nipa was so tinemo no kan okre or me say election mo koyi man kan ye na we mu ko luso a obeka semia we mu wini obeto abeti ame
engineer
di hu and the general secretary that's supposed to speak and communicate decisions of steering committee, national executive committee, or national council. No, that responsibility now is shifted to the acting national chairman for fear of losing an elections.
It's not losing to me.
And only some a PPCC.
Right, young national issues kakra na pemem na obedi so. We spend day 2 hours.
Yeah.
Our Yoko headquarters. Walk us through. Okwena normal to saying, almost saying, chia ya no e famra kwan so. Yene samia okudi nkomo was say 50 million Ghana cedis be condition. And what your mom fanny pami numra, almost no mean be pami no, or more japadia, a 50 million Ghana cedis. Nipa mi no and make 50 million Ghana cedis abaka so nyeska what the core quantity sika mo a 500 billion 500 billions are 500 abayin the ekoso yi eto say obi a oba as general secretary
bono yene you see ene ade ba ko na be see mitrim say yanjai sa in quote this nonsense in this country. Enjoy in quote this nonsense in this country. You see, I invite you to any investigative body. Nani pabuchi say ye ko. Me do hono. Nipa gu abontin. Me try say me bra inside or mo be me first entrance na me call ye.
Okay.
Yes, you can only go to the reception. You do ho. Ye nyina na helpless na ejina ho. Ye start interrogation is simple. A woman lawyers nearby I best start interrogation. Of course, you cannot be in there with them. Is their right? A lawyer for the woman interrogation. And I did feel. And no muna Samia Wuku a boy a manye. What happened at that interrogation? Look, listen. 50 million. Now, wow, best sign surety no. You should demonstrate say what property 50 million. Now properties who the bar I think you court, you court lands I could verify. Nipa say what property worth 50 million in Ghana. Hotels do say nkwa na bo esu 50 million. Hotels do say. Nipa say and what such properties in Ghana. So in effect no, one done Yoko no investigative body no into a punitive way, pronouncing people guilty. Because you see, why inviting Nipa? First of all, or you be a journey from investigation and that's own journey. What is the risk? Also with the 50 million to it obenya. So what the punish no? The decline. And the Yoko year in the last 18 months, no say, or more use institution, no more they are punish you. And the court could jaw crana, you dika punish you dada.
Ya chumaso.
Ya chumaso.
And I'm interested in saying
the chumaso. Show you where power lies. Under the guise of investigations. And one on my look, I tell you, there are many people that we've not heard about who call Yoko cells or what down for months, years.
Hey,
Yoko cells.
And the NDC.
And the NDC. Now that will be assembly of tea. Back up our NDC name, but no money so NDC. What them bear 3 months.
Now Yoko to me super prosecute.
Or your investigation, you don't know prosecute. Or they can hear preliminary investigations. Not the doctor come age. So investigation no see all ye now was shas here no. And no say okay, memo wa kofi ba ansa na obe kofi no. Na bisa was nipa odwane akohemfa. In any case, in Miracle's case, what did the party red alert so o man in two kwan fi krom ha. Na ni de all bano.
What me to kwan
oba
mo nya adwuma ni yi.
Na
what me free head to kwan.
O two kwan na oba so bedwane a sanko two kwan. Anka o memo ha bio. But waba bedu airport. Yes, who the red alert to chill. But let me go into interministerial committee. Omajuma omoye. A committee coordinate was Ministry of Local Government. Soko project no moye no. E be for different sectors district assemblies so and you know they say or coordinate a World Bank project. Your coordinated project, your budget, World Bank, the Chesicano, or Minister of Finance.
Secretary Fatchami, you talk about for Secretary Fatchami. Now, but I'm Senator Ghana for no, I bet him no maybe a CDNT. I invited and this no mano and the Soko project. No, we will crowd one Tisoko project. Because Soko do has no more can and in Abtanatri, nothing and boko.
So, a World Bank project, ye di bois a ekun uhia a lifty communities across the country.
Okay.
And it was project in 6 regions.
Social cohesion project.
Exactly.
Okay.
Our project are not ye war. Some interventions are ye war. Many districts, especially in the northern sector and part of the middle belt.
Okay.
A sense say a year project interfacing with different ministries, departments, and agencies. There was secretariat, a coordinating. That is the interministerial committee under the local government committee. Because local government expanding all ministries and departments in various assemblies.
Yes.
Because we call local assembly there were trade for, there were finance for, there were health for, there were BBR.
Okay.
And there must be an interministerial coordination point under the local government way. Because we run municipal assembly, it means it's dealing with all these ministries together. And at the coordination point, or has a project, no, a bekuye on award the contract. He doesn't sign payment.
And just spending officer.
Or just spending officer of the project. World Bank is the spending of away at the Ministry of Finance. And to Omudia say, we cost or more year on to me even recruiting consultant because that contracts are awarded at the local level, at the assembly level. So no contractor comes to interministerial for award of a contract. They don't sign anything. So how do you hold him? How do you hold him, say, embezzlement of 55 million? So Kofosika Ninano, Omuji or Ministry of Finance. Under the guidelines of World Bank, the Ghana government, I agree.
And the interministerial committee,
as a coordination unit.
Okay.
It's coordinate to ensure and write a report, timelines, idea, mamu, mundi sone and the idea. And the project now, it's a project be by Asoka municipality. Yes, the project we under the Soko. Advertise and select a contract, a suitable contractor for it. Then they select their contractors. When we are on the report about. Now more endorsing the co-finance go to Amoka. And the Nipa know what the level of coordination. How do you arrest him? Say, why embezzleska? But you see, diversionary tactics. Miracles are one of the critical and critiques of the NDC government. And then also a person be communication director for the MPP. In Guinea, yen silence no. Yen fire anymore. Me say ebia ebe court ni akọ vary bail condition no agayenja miracles o no hwe de ombetumi aye no
kenya ne ma yoko.
Yes, so we say onya bail condition onya no
ntu de fa no wow
otie say eni be busumi na Haruna Idrisu e ball NDC for ni aban ni koko say yoko a use institution to punish their opponents, not to investigate. Attorney General, they misled him into making ridicule of himself in public. But me, and then me granting interviews, I may say, the elephant never forgets. Also, no memory, no, as soon. 50 million. Yes, was send you, and no mobile condition.
Obey General Secretary.
Yes, was send you, no, NDC for bail conditions.
Honorable Semester.
Yes, okay. Put me on record.
Sir, Obey General Secretary.
Now you buy 2029.
MPP winia.
Yes.
Bail condition.
Yes, was send you, no.
So send you the carpenter for which mabubi.
You better. Moja no you be call lab.
107.3.
Yes, was send you, no. Enya extreme now miracles also go pay 50 million
surety
to be justified.
Me look around some for 50 million property.
Ni person ko hu sa ekonye sa we no. Eno ne Yesu asendua no. Me say that will be their bail condition. They should get ready for it.
Right, we were talking about coming here. Honorable Sylvester Tete, a former Deputy Information Minister, former MP for Botiano, English, a man from former CEO, NYA, or Pet General Secretary, Dibre, MPP National, and what can be, and Akraba, William Mamo, Catherman Pro, was say MPP by power. Now, only a General Secretary. Now, and this be a TV one home. Near Kofanwa, bail condition here, yes, was India. I'm Mojano ho. Na Mojano Crani, ever send your collab.
Ever collab. Faku Komoja Biamba, and the back collab.
Brother, to a man copied in the Zona, Yen Komo Kakra. But him say, Boba, ye constituency no, ever called regional. Diaspora for better Modia in August. In Amia Duma.
August 8.
August 8. Now, September 16th.
19th.
Sorry. Ya to national one. No. So far, I promote saying, and I told me I'm a man for cancer. Executive say be you a more constituency, any regional, no, only determine the type of leaders are you be young national. They can't know me are doing, none of me are doing so far. Monitoring no me say.
Well, met me aka say agro me di bi ache, me di agro ache. Ma ache wa agro. I was a campaign manager for then Freddie Blay, first vice chairman 2014.
Okay.
Ma to Ghana henyina, I've worked with, and a lot of the people I work with, they are still in the system. 2022, me a campaign manager for Freddie Blay, a national chairman. Elections held in Koforidia. The build-up, meaning if it's going well, and where I sit, me Danyamia say, God will not disappoint us. Nyame beton super ego. So you see, in opposition, adia bakon ubia ebi no ohwe. Say, ebi din kunim. Party for mu ban nyina no. Look, ya ye pre-abay nyina no. They have a fair idea of ya ye pre-abay. Media for assessment and idea of your capacity. Don't forget, sir, your main contenders are your NDC for any other political parties. No, one must only DHD. And nipa ye womo at the constituency level, be you regional level. No, I be constitute electoral college. No, adia ba kope no mo leadership for the party, because direction, strategy and everything emanate from national leadership.
Of course.
And or no per se was shedding crop for boss meji to me amamo. And also pobia or no so bet me abua no maji to me ama party no. And then I can say you cannot give what you don't have. And I say in opposition, the biggest weapon of an opposition party is a weapon of your voice. 107.3. And I'm on for Sisikani at the idea. Bisa who say, will the MPP have as much resources at the NDC in 2028? The rate at which they are stealing, they will have more money into the elections than the MPP. So if money is determining your voting pattern in the MPP, then it means you are losing the next elections. But look for leadership for the MPP party. Leadership with experience, leadership with a voice, leadership that is underpinned selection, is underpinned by strategy. I bet you have a party. So you can't give what you don't have. But you don't have a better perspective, a better purview of the MPP party. You assume from my form to the highest level. And the America Biano, meaning what I should be able to do.
One honorable Sylvester Tete.
Bono ine asemi bisa honorable Sylvester Tete me obi a otwa me moja MPP ne beba apart from Nyankopon Masori the Apostolic Church Ghana me busua nyame di mi abedom the MPP is my biggest family. Now I'm proud say me do party no masum from polling station, constituency level, TESCON secretary, TESCON president, member of the National Organizational Committee, member of National Council, my parliamentary candidate in difficult constituency like Ningo Pram Pram. Twice, Botiano English amount from Bibayem Rashe Bejeni. I've been an advocate for this party from 2009 to now Mene Wukase. In parliament, member of the finance committee, member of the local government committee, vice chairman communications committee, deputy minister, board chairman. I've gone through the ranks in this party. I have built enough capacity to lead the party as a general secretary. Meaning every corner, I can sleep anywhere. If you go to Pro East, Yejimakango, with Mitra, I grew up in the cocoa farm. I'm all rounder. Met me lead the MPP. So me name the American. Masumye, I come to the job with an experience.
Right. Obi tie first time I wo tie wo beka say obi a wabaye minister. Obi a wabaye MP. CEO. Post no what dia. Party in opposition. Why you worry yourself? Waste your time say wo say party no.
Ma sa nipa no ere free say me ba be CEO, me ba be minister, me ba be MP no, obi na ye and a party ni ba power. It drew me so. Say sa experience na ndi onyam na party ni ya hye me no, me fa nye bi mwa obi nso. Because na ye ba power, me be CEO, me be minister, me be board chairman. Me some party no is an opportunity for many more people and for the development of Ghana. Any MPP as a manyoko. So sene me feel say bibia nyame di me abedu man dam many ebra party no wa ho hia mu a na me di party no hwamo me di me conscience hwamo eno nti na be say me di me ho asi ho party for mwa me ne ento aba ma me na ye were leadership crisis as of this time. That's the truth.
Right, finally delegacy to your party mate you then abeto catch them
the American party man say one ya to aba yi mu nyina mo assess ye nyina yie baby obi afri ba the odi ba table ne so mo son for Sylvester Tete, a man of strategy, a man with experience, a man with a political voice, a wartime general. Means strategy me work kudro. I won't look over my shoulders to take decisions ebeboa MPP amanyoko no and it mesre wo mo sabato ayekoi should not be determined by money, but should be determined by obi a why ready, so be a selfless leader for the MPP party. This is the time we need to make the MPP party so enya konoma onwane ho ye party for be na butu because party no enya kono say MPP ya konoma MPP for we will always win an elections. We are natural majority people in this country a dumb MPP. And they was a party no e ya kono mo no ane ho ansa na bia be di echire and no na me say party for say musomfo a juma ma ye over the last 30 years say active member of this party no I will help to rebuild this party ebe ya kono ama MPP ya ye ho na ya kono ama mo am wo echire ye wo emmebu na woni ba wo mo ehu Rollins one year President Kufuor, 1 year Akufo-Addo so meto aba in the next elections. The only government perhaps they may experience is the government of the NDC. The incompetence of John Mahama is what they will witness. So you need to make a party a alternative to that corrupt NDC party into the 2028 elections. Look, intervention of President Akufo-Addo a year man mebunu wogana ha. In terms of education, capacity building, high investment in Inano, and 49% of our employable youth are Greater Accra are unemployed. Regional data 34% of such young people. A majority of them are beneficiaries of free SHS. When the government promised 311, and the expectation is that unemployment no a bit baffled.
Okay.
The 311 turned out say a deception. So you need to position your party as credible alternative to the incompetent NDC administration. Yedi wo call election in 2028.
Okay.
So that is the kind of leadership a person may offer ama me party MPP.
Mercy, Honorable Sylvester Tete, former Deputy Information Minister, for your time. MPP General Secretary aspirant, and any Dinkomono. Yeah, that's it for your time this evening. God bless you. So, my main call German North. German North, yes, Sampa, Suma, Giadaso, Nenempatamu, Sita, Edima, MPP. MPP are trying to sit in the paying, and this year taking over. Nejeno ayedin. And Ramotuaba and Alaji Matanga, and ya pound say chairman, or my retaining no. That means ye bibia a sumbo. So the big question is this time around 2028, and then I want you to be a German no sit no, best in Abeka MPP inside. Chairman, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Honorable.
Fafa.
Bacho, Mount say.
Yame Edia Famien. The require Yama Utrinkwa, Emma Mosonekon.
That's it.
Mammy, Missa, the Edican was secretary then. Chama for baby that Tiato, Domeco Benya, or Bankline, Domeco Benya, Chama Bones, what Transache, Watiato, or Comabia, Watiato, but what me retain who sit, I will German of those parliamentary seat, no, and yet MPP. But what me retain who sit, secretary then.
Yo, where the MFS are Konya Wiso, Namada at Infose. Na mabasamba trankunya na musuma damase na mada council of elders patrons police station shahin for any me questions executives mz prince wa transampada yasi onuma no bedi wachi na de odua no eno ana wuka mz me emra me be chairman na party no opposition but me ye de timamofo edemo mogina so omagimadi as a universal chairman. Say me concording before election no ever be do. Na election day na me koye me ho campaign. Me ya me ho campaign eto ho before election. Sana ye ho leader. Nti sana me so me flipping for enye day na me koye election. And 2 weeks time for the election na me koye me ho campaign. No. Me dua to ho. Nti afina aso aba mate.
Right, meaning sir German North City no ayedin. Honorable Siaka Stevens, former Deputy Regional Minister, Bono Ahafo Region. One an MP ho, and Afufian Tuata, Pamuno, my Edi City no ma, Honorable Hinkwa Frederick. This time around, and then I would be different, say German North City no, MPP bet me as a recapture.
You, Honorable, Mr. Medase, the team. Amanyasam de menim say ye form hade but enam say ye ni asa woro ntimi ye mpinyin for the didi amanyasam ya didi Ghana for the ato mo prim say after 8 years dey no ambassador amamunno na honorable Saka 7 so echo 8 years inti oko 8 years no honorable inquire Frederick to gramon for ni adada omo ema omo jini to mutu abana man. By say German for your swan, how do you know to? Honorable inquiry Frederick by since I obey MP over 6 years no. Said there's some paternity, said the German of Tianet here. You will say when you're fit for the job. Among the Shaka service by and the performance never so change. Honorable inquiry Frederick because about mention her will be a wound your here. Emma ono kasan ko fombo ekotia ne se won kira de mbi ni yensa since oba mu a woye ama German ofo kontini airport bi enti yesi nipa no udi truck esia end of the day no edware completely enti why afraid there but the German ofo agree na edi agro oba wa mbe he ye kwan wo so bika omuntwa kwan bia yesi obeboa yuturu mamanya adwuma ontimi mbo wan fa bakumpo enti enako ababe ntawantawa woni honorable lawyer Eric J entim camp na chimni no enti mo tibie se camp na si wa MPP confusion si ya no atia CNDC for camp na 2028 ye candidate be the Unibiano, and Yamania Don, Shala, or the Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Ama 2028, Yatmago Ajijama Nofono, Asan BSB and Nacy, Ama Natumpo.
And then I see one is so say obey somebody assign at Wabama view as constituency chairman of constituency.
You mean that's it, say party is say your opposition. Now, my dear to me also say, Meko Kodin, Sebu and Yasa energy winning election. No way kick grassroots, no. May you Juma form me the Mandiba form, Council of Elders or patrons or police station executives or the new more. Ebeko Banko ne nante for Ajibrao and Ghana for almost for NPP for to the sense and food from Tugu and say me I make say Prince winning me a cash agent. Omudi campaign ka say India for a talk cashew me ko commission one time enti na cashew bon koso and ombeto ombedi yenimuno and this some talk cashew 8 cities 7 cities 9 cities but 10 time na NPP wa power no now you turn 20 cities 22, 23, 8. And the amount of and for to be no more to agree and the Bako grassroots no. No more casta. I'm a month and part to see the MPP for na yen and every man, yen and every you to know. In they are bofra afina meria. Na being for more HB or multi diano. We are chairman, we are investor, do be a better mediso. And the may see me problem say. This time around, yeah, mass and also because as I am finding the election, and the Ebako grassroots, now you know more Akako Kasa, actually, number 4, I'm at 2028. They are endorsed Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, now Massa also the parliamentary candidate, you know, German of NPP ticket.
Right, a lot, you better say, now go to Mujaso. Right, Alaji Matanga, German of constituency.
Yes, I for a video the aspirant of the general secretary. Your friend Yemi started. I also he wants to be the general secretary. Actually, what we have to do if we actually want to win the 2028 elections, what I say everything is on the ground. Abibi actually say everyone is marching towards the MPP victory. Yedi Bawumia and the bedi anymore. Or can ye or can see you say, and yes, Dr. Bawumia and the party neko, a party no the Dr. Bawumia ko. So it involves each and everyone's little effort. Yes, we are the ane ye Juma, ewo media num, ebo Dr. Bawumia na home, euro. One fancy or sign can say, truly, how one DC for a handle MPP for in the terms of arresting. Ena, kwan yo mo faso chia manfo. Ne kwan o mo faso de bail ema amanfo no say MPP be dia konwa na NDC for should think say this o mo kofa cross wa ye boy Yesu asenwe mo so no eno na o mo kofa dia o mba bi so mo mfa mra say bail condition the moja wo so eno kura de ba moja na bese akọ lab akọ say enya akụkọ moja eno de akọfa ho na mbom na be ye moja ye Yesu moja answer amuji aji di atum. Putim say yes, in fact, the NDC for you know, enko yekura, enfata ensekura. Yakacha musay entroni kontopo no mudi ebeji tuminti asemna yere onso adwuma no ayeden esne wo. Me say ababeto onso awie. In fact, enese unyante ya the ekoni say the NDC is trying everything say ombeki pu Mahama to contest again because omoye internal research who say none of the people our one this when and to me contest as a president to me against Dr. Bawumia. So now they are frustrated and they are doing everything that they could. Say John Mahama Besanya Jina in the 2028 coming election. This things in the whole update brow was we are on. I mean fan check a cramami ku jaru apia michel ye pamami ya frem poma michel mi kwesi asamwa michel rosuru ya urukaya michia wonso yepa michia cha dofo ne atiefo amutumi nya abre eneme ebedi jumai mi don besia na na nwumre yankopon ya adoma yasan apihia bi until we meet again.